Hi all, this is Maria from Needus Academy. Today we are going to discuss about something that so many of you have requested, how to improve your spoken English. Whether you are a student or a professional or just someone who loves languages, this video is going to help you to speak English more confidently and fluently. First, let's talk about why spoken English matters. English is an international language. It helps us travel, work, and make new friends from all over the world. But speaking English isn't about perfection, it's all about confidence and communication. Now, let's look at some common struggles and solutions. Many people face a similar problem: feeling shy or nervous, not knowing enough vocabulary, thinking too much about grammar while speaking. Don't worry, let's go through some simple tips to overcome this. First tip: think in English. Think in English instead of translating from your native language. For example, if you see a cup, just say to yourself, "This is my cup." Simple, but it is useful. Tip 2. Listen and repeat. Watch English movies, YouTube videos, and listen to podcasts. Then pause and repeat the sentence out loud. This improves pronunciation and rhythm. Tip 3. Practice English daily. Even if you don't have someone to talk, try to speak yourself. Describe what you are doing. I'm making the tea, the water is boiling. It might feel funny at first, but it really builds your confidence. Tip 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Instead of memorizing individual words, learn whole phrases or expressions that you can use in your real life. For example, "Can you please help me?" or "I'm not sure about this." This makes your sound more natural and confident. The final tip: record yourself. Record your voice when you speak. Then listen and notice your pronunciation, tone, and speed. It helps you to find areas to improve and track your progress. Remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help us learning. Keep practicing, stay positive, and enjoy the process. Thank you.